On May 19, 2025, the U.S. Air Force revealed the first images of its newest unmanned combat air vehicle, the YFQ-42A, developed by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems as part of the Collaborative Combat Aircraft Program. General David Allvin, the Chief of Staff of the U.S. Air Force, revealed the aircraft in a social media post. He described the Collaborative Combat Aircraft, CCA, like the YFQ-42A and the YFQ-44A Anduril, as cost-effective but absolutely lethal, and called it a drone fighter. The overall design of the YFQ-42A is already known to some extent, based on renderings and mock-ups, as well as the fact that it is derived from the earlier XQ-67, which first flew in 2024. Compared to the XQ-67, the YFQ-42A has more rounded engine air intakes and what appears to be slightly modified fuselage molding lines. The design changes are likely the result of an effort to reduce the airframe's radar cross-section to meet the CCA program's stealth requirements. Flight testing of the aircraft, according to manufacturer General Atomics Aeronautical Systems Inc., GA-ASI, is expected to begin within months. Anduril's YFQ-44A Fury is scheduled to follow a similar timeline, having been formally unveiled earlier this month. The YFQ-44A on the surface appears to be a more conventional shape than General Atomics' offering, opting for a vertical tail and air intakes below the fuselage. The YFQ-42A, by comparison, resembles the XQ-67 with air intakes on the upper side of the fuselage and two canted tail surfaces more reminiscent of typical stealth fighters. Based on charts released by Allvin last week, and assuming the data is accurate, the two CCA Increment 1s would not match the Boeing F-47 or Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor in overall stealth capabilities, but would have a reduced radar cross-section size roughly equivalent to the F-35. They would offer a combat radius of more than 700 nautical miles, enter service between 2025 and 2029, and number more than 1,000 individual units. This reflects the CCA's role as a more collaborative, low-risk weapons or sensor picket platform that would operate alongside manned fighter aircraft and conduct missions that would otherwise result in the loss of human crews. General Atomics was selected alongside Anduril Industries in April 2024 to build prototypes for the first phase of the Collaborative Combat Aircraft Program, beating out competitors such as Boeing, Lockheed Martin, and Northrop Grumman.